Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer an Upstart loan to a spouse or family member in 2025. Now, Upstart does not allow direct loan transfers, but here's what you can do if you want someone else to take over payments. Now, the first thing is to consider a personal loan refinance. Now, the new borrower, which is a spouse or family member, they can apply for a loan with another lender, and they're going to use the new loan to pay off your Upstart loan balance. Now, you can also use a joint account for payments. Now, if refinancing isn't possible, you can set up automatic payments from their bank account. This keeps payments on track without formally transferring the loan. And also, you can explore co-signing options with other lenders. While Upstart does not allow co-signers, other lenders do. So your spouse or family member can refinance under their name with a co-signer if that's needed. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.